An invisible war rages inside us daily. Billions of invaders versus our ultimate defense. Our main defenders, white blood cells. Tiny warriors patrolling the bloodstream. They come in many forms. The enemy, pathogens. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites. Tiny invaders. Our first line of defense, physical barriers. Skin, like an impenetrable fortress, a sticky trap. Invaders breach. The innate immune system launches its immediate, non-specific attack. Rapid response cells engulf threats first. Next, inflammation. Redness, heat, swelling. It's the body's alarm system. Blood vessels expand.
Now, adaptive immunity, our intelligent defense. Immune cells learn the pathogen's unique signature.
B cells are antibody factories. They produce Y-shaped proteins. These antibodies bind to pathogens.
T cells are crucial. Some eliminate infected cells directly. Others act as commanders, coordinating the entire immune response. Once defeated, the immune system remembers. Memory cells stand ready. If the same threat returns, they launch an immediate, overwhelming defense.
Vaccination is training day. It safely introduces pathogen fragments. Our immune army learns to recognize the enemy.
Sometimes, friendly fire occurs. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy body cells. It's a complex.
Allergies are overreactions. Harmless substances are mistaken for serious threats. The immune system launches dangerous defense.
The immune system also fights cancer. It searches to eliminate rogue cells. Sometimes it succeeds, other times it needs help.
Support your immune system. Healthy eating, regular exercise, sufficient sleep. These are your best allies.
Our immune system, an unsung hero. Billions of tireless defenders.